Hi, good morning. I'm with one of my favorite people, my nephew Tiki, so Tiku. And we're gonna do a breath session today are we gonna do energizing or calming?
We're gonna do an energizing one.
We're gonna do energizing. So we're gonna do what's called pulse breath or Kapalabhati breath. And it's a pulsing breath from the belly. So you take an inhale and then you're going to snap the belly back. We're gonna do 20 rounds.
Yes.
We'll do 20 rounds at a time, and then after we do 20 rounds of the pulse breath, we'll take an inhale, we'll take an exhale, maybe 2 times, and then we'll repeat it. And we're gonna repeat this 3 times?
Sure.
We'll try for 3, and he might want more. Okay, so we're just gonna find a comfortable seat, so make your spine nice and easy. We're on pillows, so we're comfortable. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, good. And I am too, thank you. And I like to have my hand on my belly, right? Benny, would you like to join us? We're doing some breath work. You can sit right here. We're in the middle of a breath session.
Maybe.
Okay, if you want, you can sit. Benny might join us. All right. So we're gonna take an inhale.
1 second. I need to get dressed.
We're gonna take an inhale, and then on the exhale, as we exhale, we're gonna start to pulse the belly back. Inhale, exhale. We'll take one more inhale, inhale all the way into the body. Exhale, as you exhale, feel the body settling. And we go again, inhale through the nose, fill up. On the exhale, begin snapping the belly back. Inhale. And feel the body rise. Exhale fully. Go one more round. Inhale into the body. Feel yourself arriving. And on the exhale, begin pulsing. Inhale. Let's hold this inhale at the top. Exhale when you feel ready. And let's do that again. Inhale into the body. Exhale, feel the body soften. Should we do one more round? Let's do one more round. Inhale. 20 pulses back. Inhale. Feel the energy of the body. Exhale. Let yourself settle, feeling the body come alive with breath. When you breathe, feel the body move with your breath. Just blink the eyes open. How do you feel?
Energized?
You feel a little energized?
Yes.
We did it.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.